Hello, back with another reaction video, you guys. This time it's to Nature. I've never heard of the group before, but it's to Nature's I'm So Pretty. She woke the other members up with the trumpet. No, she waking me up too. I got up like 2 hours ago. Oh, little YouTuber or what? Okay, oh. I need to pause it because that right away reminds me of Red Velvet's debut video. And does she not sound like Joy? My mind's imagining it. It's fast, kind of. Oh, that lipstick. CGI. Oh, she's in the rain. Cereal. I haven't even eaten too, so making me hungry. It's like in bathrooms. Ooh, they're like slow. She's a little YouTuber. Oh, she looks like Sana. They always try to make Sana do like cute faces like that, like look worried, scared, I don't know. That totally reminds me of a Sana expression. Oh, yeah, she on a Mac? Okay. Oh, I wish he would have put some choreography there. It was like quiet. Oh, it went like slow for a bit. Ooh, who is she? She's gotta be a rapper, huh? Lipsticks everywhere. Chess with lipsticks. Lipstick. Tails? They got tails? He's going like a beat now, really fast. Oh, beautiful diamond. Oh. That was a lot. Ooh, the transition. I love that. Kiss. She winked. Slipper. Who is that girl too? Is she a rapper? I feel like it's addictive. Like it's an addictive song. Oh my god, I'm in love with her though. I love her voice. I feel like I've heard it before. Like she reminds me of someone. I can't remember. such a catchy hook. I love that it's so catchy because I listened to, this is my first time listening to it, and I want to keep listening to it over and over again. Oh, they all have red lipstick. I just got that. Nature, I think it just gained a fan right here. Oh my god. I'm so pretty. I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. So bye bye.